welcome back to the Daya Daily. So today I'm dressed up as Jasmine. I forgot.
And I'm dressed up as Aladdin.
Yes, we're from the new movie Aladdin. I can't wait to see that movie.
I'm Aladdin, and that movie's called Aladdin.
Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to check out the Daya Daily shop to get Daya Daily t-shirts. They're super awesome. Let's get into showing you this look. Woo, 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 woo.
I was right.
Woo, 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 woo. Let's get started. This is the Dream Liquid Mousse from Maybelline. We're gonna put this all over my face. Now I'm using a buffer brush to buff it in. Now we're gonna do a little bit of cream contouring. So I'm doing a fish face, and then where this part is, I'm gonna do this. My look is complete. You guys enjoyed. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm using a stippling brush to blend it in. Okay, I'm just gonna do some highlighting. Do a concealer that's a little bit lighter than your foundation. Now we're gonna set with the powder from the Rimmel Stay Matte. Now we're gonna bronze it up a little bit. I am using the Butter Bronzer Positions Formula. It smells so good. Now we're just blending this down the... Don't hit yourself in the face. I'm blending this all down my neck. Ah, I smell like beautiness. Now time for the blush. Now I'm gonna show you how to get from this to this. I'm using this. This is gonna be kind of like our base. Put it all over your lid. We're using the Huda Beauty. It's the color Eden. Use like a light orange color. Kind of like a windshield wiper, back and forth, back and forth. Now we're using saffron. You want it on the tip of the brush. Look how easily it blended into that crease. Now we're gonna take a flat brush and we're gonna use Angelic. And then we're gonna get Max Fix Plus and spray it on it. And we're putting this on the lid. Now we're taking saffron right by the lashes. Now I'm taking the orange on top. So now it's gonna draw the wing. We're gonna use some liquid liner. This is Bob. No. Now we're doing a little hot pink on the edge. I'm doing the lashes now. Add mascara. Now we're popping on some demi with speed. Best lashes. There's the eyes all done. Now my mom's gonna do the black eyebrows. Eyebrows on. Now I'm doing the highlighter. This is Champagne Pop. Now I'm doing the lips. We're just doing a pretty pink lip. Now I'm gonna use this color. This is from NYX and it's called Candy Slick. I finished! makeup looks done, and now we're gonna get Kason in here to do Aladdin. Here's Aladdin. Hi guys. Kason, before we get Aladdin ready, show him what happened.
I have a cast
He broke his arm.
by jumping off a swing and landing on this part first. And it hurt.
Yep.
So don't jump out of a swing really high.
Let's get started. So for Aladdin, I'm gonna spray his hair black.
Go check out our other Aladdin video. It's awesome. Right?
Yep. Yeah. Go check it out, cause I'm Jasmine.
And I'm the Genie.
Now we're gonna put on his hat. Now we just have to do black eyebrows. Now, my last and final thing to complete my look is the wig. And I'm gonna get it on in 3, 2, 1. And I got the wig on. And now our looks are complete. Oh, and these. I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Aladdin.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And
My channel.
we're going to be doing a slime challenge on his channel. We're doing the twin telepathy challenge. If you guys want to see this, go check out Kason's channel. We'll link that up in one of these corners. This corner. And we love you. And see you in my next video. Bye.